Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Claude once again, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you will get notifications for my next video. And for today's content, we are going to review this Amazon's WAKANIYA nail color dipping powder. The set, actually I will put the box. I got this color. I got this package a month ago. I tried it once, but I screwed it up. I actually made the video. I'm going to link that down below as well. I'm going to link a clip in that one. I screwed it up because I said to myself that I'm going to just make it like a really thin one. I didn't really like the results, and I said I think I could do better. I'm just not following the proper instructions, so that's the reason why I'm going to do the review now, and then I'm going to give you a tip as well to make it look more beautiful, less buffing, and look gradient like this one. Oops. Look at this one, it's beautiful. And it's like gradient color, lighter to darker. So the box comes with 3 bottles. The first one I have here is like a brush saver you can use to clean up the base and the top coat of brush. We have a base coat, number 2. Number 4 is the top coat. And then number 3 is the activator. I don't know what happened to number 1 and number 5. I don't know. The one I have, it only comes with its 4 bottles. That set actually have a really good deal in Amazon right now. It only costs $20, so 20 Canadian dollars. And if you are up to it, keep watching in this video. I'm going to show you how, and then go grab it. The color that I have comes with clear. This is the clear one. This is the clear with the number 113, and then I have nude. The nude doesn't have a number. I have the nude, and then I have the peach, like a pinky peach, 388, and I have like the one I'm using right now. It's more like lavender, purplish. Okay. The more layer you put in this one, the deeper the color you will get. So like the lavender, what do you call this one? I think it's lavender. Yeah, the lavender is kind of like this. But I only did 2 coat in this one because my nail grows pretty fast. Don't want to have like a lot of time of buffing it because I don't have electric buffer yet. So I just wanted to make it thin, and it looks like just a very natural the natural nail color, or like the normal nail color, and I like it that way. Moving on, I have been doing my nails ever since I could not remember, but this is the first set actually of the nail color dipping powder that I've used, and I actually wanted to do the Kara Sky, but it is too pricey for me, so I went for this one, and so far it does the job. These setting powders have a really easy step. So all you have to do is clean or prep your nails first. Of course, I already did mine. Clean the edges already, and before you apply anything, make sure that the nail is buffed. And yeah, I have 4 nails that not covered. Also, I wanted to show this to you guys. This one is actually chipped. You see, this one is chipped, and I want to save it, and this one can actually do the job of saving my nails. So before, I was actually very skeptical of using this type of nail color because I don't know like how it works, how it this and that, so it's just so many things. So it took me a while to purchase this thing because I just can't decide if it's really for me. You know, there are just so many things. It will trend, and you will just realize it's not for you. It's just like for acrylic nails. I love acrylic nails, but it's just not for me. It actually damages my nails, and my nails are already very sensitive and very thin, so having that doesn't actually help the health of my nails, and I stopped using it. Actually, I do it on my own too. Right now, I'm just gonna do my nails, and I'll show you step by step how do I do mine, okay? So first, we are going to use the base coat. So for this chip one, I'm going to align it like it's open, so it's up a little, and then apply the base coat. The base coat first. Sorry, can you see it? Can you see it? Okay. Okay, the very first coat, I do apply it from the middle, not all the way to the top, close to the cuticle. I started with the middle for the first coat. The reason is, hold on, I use this one. Hold on, let me just put this one because this is very, very quick. It dries pretty quick. Okay, this, my friend. Okay, so the instruction actually says that you're going to dip the nail in this one itself. But I find it that when you dip your nail, because the glue is a little bit wet, there are sometimes it pushes the glue up and it creates those roughness for the things. I find it more convenient if I will just drop it like this. It didn't come with this one, with a scooper. With a scooper, what is that I said? Okay, this one, my friend, is my MAC brush, my MAC 219 brush. And then the brush is already damaged, so I just remove the brush, and then the tip is actually the nail extension. You know those extension that you put for your nails, for the acrylic one? That's the one, and then I attach it to the brush, so I have a scooper. Actually did this one before I started the video. I'm not gonna buff it yet. I'll let it sit, and then I'll do the second nail. Again, from the middle going down for the first coat, and then I'll scoop and pour it on top. It would be better if they will have a scooper. WAKANIYA, maybe you can, you know, provide a scooper for your next set, because when I purchased this one, I was actually hoping to have a glitter one, and then they have a set of glitter, which I'm looking forward to have. Yeah, hopefully next one will have like something to scoop with. You see how clean this is? It's pretty smooth, really smooth here. That's the first coat. Okay, so with this one, I'm going to do 3 coats. This color is actually right here, right here on this. These are only 2 coats, but since I chipped this one, I'm going to do 3 coats, so it's a little bit thicker. For the second coat, I'm going to go a little bit higher for where I applied first, to just build up the nails there. Okay, and scoop. Oh no, see, I damaged it. See, I accidentally touched the tip. Okay, so I'll do this one a little bit higher for where my first coat. Okay, so I just remember I forgot to put activator. See, I screwed up once again, my friend. Okay, so I'm so sorry. First base coat, and then powder, and then you put activator and repeat. Or I think you can put the activator last. It's fine, I think. Comment down below if I'm right or not. Okay, so you see how smooth it is? And it's going up now, right here. And then now I'm going to put an activator. Oh my god, I forgot. I totally forgot. I'm so sorry. See, I screwed up. Before, when I actually do and dip it, there's so much work of doing the buffing unless you have the electric buffer. I find it very convenient just doing this one. It really applies the powder evenly and smoothly, so I don't have to buff much, and I find it really very convenient. That's my magic tip right there. If you think that that's very helpful, you should try it, and then comment down below if it works for you, and if not, please comment down below that, you know, it doesn't get its job. Yeah, so I let it sit. We'll do the base coat again, and now I'm going to do close to the tip. I don't like it when it touches to the cuticle area. Also, if there is so much product in here, I'll start from the tip first before I'll go all the way to the top. The thickness of this powder will actually depend on the glue you apply. Okay, I will not buff it yet. I will let it sit, and I'll go to the second nail. I'll start from the tip, go all the way to the top. It dries pretty quick, so that's why I'm doing it really fast. That application that I did, that the first coat will start from the middle to the tip, and then you go up as you go for more coat, will actually give the effect of a gradient color. That's secret there, guys. When it's set, before you put the top coat, you actually have to buff it. And I'm done. My nails is whole again, and it's very smooth. Look at that. Can you see it? It's very smooth. It's not so thick. Compared to the acrylic ones, it's very, very thick. You see, if this one, you see, it's just like the normal nail color. You see, it's very thin. Okay, so I buff it really quick, and it's time to do the top coat. To be honest with you, the top coat have a really strong glue smell, like very, very strong. The first time I use it, it actually gives me headache. And there you go. So as you noticed, these two have darker color than compared to this color or the other two nail color. It's because, again, this is more coating compared to this one. There's only two coating from this nail color. Now I'm just going to do the rest of my nails, and I'll be right back. And there you go, guys. For roughly 20 minutes, I did all my nails. This one have a really darker color, which I don't mind, because 3 to 5 days from now, I'm going to change this color anyway. So yeah, it is really, really fast if you have an experience of doing your own nails. For the first time though, this is not a hard steps for you to follow. I think the hard part is more like the amount of application of the base coat and the top coat, but aside from that one, there is not so much problem. The reason why I mentioned about the base coat is because the thickness of the powder that stick to your nail actually based on the glue that you apply there. So if there's part there in your nails that you apply glue a little bit thicker, so it will show after the nail is dry. The method of using the scoop is actually very helpful. It saves you a lot of time buffing around your nails. I haven't rated this one yet because I've mentioned earlier that I really screwed up in my first attempt. So for the first timer, for the first purchase, I'm going to rate it perfect 5-star. Yes, perfect 5-star. The reason is it is really easy to use and the steps that they have are very understandable. Product itself, it really works, and the product that they have here are really beautiful. So for those first timer and doesn't want to go really bold into nails, the first set comes with, the package includes with clear, nude, light pink or peach, and the lavender one or the purple one. Try my method and let me know if it works for you, and also let me know if the method I did also helpful to you. This is the final look. It's not so much color different actually. Alright guys, so thank you and see you guys once again for my next video. Bye!